kangaroo is not hungry. He's just like gone away. इसको सबने इतना खाना खिला खिला के मोटा कर दिया ना. The kangaroo is like भाई बहुत हो गया और नहीं खाना मैंने. तो मैं शो ऑफ कर लेता हूँ प्राइड इंडिया मोमेंट. द प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर जो इंडिया ने लॉन्च किया था इज़ कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉन्जर्वेशन एफर्ट्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. जब प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर इंडिया में शुरू हुआ था, जब टाइगर्स की जो नंबर्स थे बहुत कम हो गए थे, एंड प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर वाज सो सक्सेसफुल दैट इंडिया वाज एबल टू successfully bring back the population of the tiger in India, which is amazing. So if you're Indian and you're watching this, give yourself a pat on the back. मेरा भारत महान. मैं आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया जू भाई एंड मी वी हैव डिसाइडेड. मैं इनको ना पूछ पूछ के अब से मेरे को कैंगरू देखना है. सड़क पे हमको दिखा नहीं खींच. सुनो तुमको मैं ऐसे जगह ले जाता हूँ जहाँ पे कैंगरू दिख जाएगा.
दिखेगा भी नहीं, कैंगरू फीडिंग होगी.
एंड apparently you play with the koalas. We'll be able to do that.
नहीं हम वाइल्ड में देखेंगे.
Wild में देखेंगे. So it'll be nice. Let's do it. तो जो कमोडो ड्रैगन है, ओ माय गॉड, इंडोनेशिया में वैसे डायनासोर्स का जो सबसे क्लोजेस्ट लिविंग रिलेटिव फिलहाल है, ही इज बास्किंग इन द सन हियर. वो अलग बात है. बड़ी छिपकली के साथ ऐसे छोटी छिपकली व्हिच इज राइट देयर, उसका पता नहीं क्या चल रहा होगा. जस्ट लुक एट हिम. हाय. अब इसके नाखून वाखून अगर देखो तो ऐसे लॉट ऑफ लाइक यार बहुत ही मतलब. Why is everyone so serious, acting so damn mysterious? Da 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 da. Everybody look to the left, and everybody look to the right. Na 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 na. Look at Bobby Pins. Woohoo! There's a big tortoise there. Hey. So we're heading now to Africa. I think they'll have the giraffe and the rhino. So when we were in South Africa, मैंने देखा था उनके जो big five होते हैं, it's the rhino, the hippo, the giraffe, the lion, and there's one more. If you know what the other big five is, tell me which one I'm missing. So it turns out these are the second largest land mammal. Hathi is the big one, and their hathi was very tiny though. But there it is, look. मस्त मड बात ली हुई इनके आ रहे मजे. So Bhai wants to see the elephant
Elephant, giraffe,
and
and
the
Bengal
tiger
tiger.
and the Bengal tiger. And I'm like, okay, let's see this. So they have like areas. मतलब कोई कोई area में से Asia लिखा है, किसी में Africa लिखा हुआ है. So yeah, let's go see what Southeast Asia is like. हमारा हाथी होगा यहाँ पे. They got the elephant here. This is like a baby elephant that we've seen. And I think there's another big one there somewhere. I have to say though, my inner Hindu boy is very happy when I see an elephant. I think of Lord Ganesha. Automatic connection. There's the bigger elephant. Oh my god, और मैं गणेशा बोल ही रहा था, and सामने इन्हें गणेश जी बनाए भी हुए हैं. There you go. See, automatically the Hindu god is right there. Can you see him? What Bhai was looking for?
Giraffe and zebra.
Oh, that's really cool actually. The giraffe and the zebra right together. It's pretty awesome. And we've got a nice feeding frenzy that's currently on. The thing which is very big here is the crocodile show, जो कि अब थोड़ी देर में होने वाला है. So while we are finally kind of saying bye bye to the giraffes and the zebras, इसके बाद हम जाएंगे the crocodile show, which is basically the reason this particular zoo became so popular. तो भाई से वहाँ जाकर ना सीट थोड़ी रिजर्व करनी पड़ती है, बहुत लोग जाते हैं. Bye bye giraffe. See you later, brother. The cheetahs are chilling nicely, they're hanging out. I mean, I still haven't figured out how you zoom into this camera. That is still new to me. But there, you see the cheetahs? There. So this is supposed to be some place. I don't know where I'm going. That's what it kind of looks like. Oh, thank you. Oh, it says one gate at a time. Thank you. यहाँ पे I think they have kangaroos and lemurs. This is a little bit like being in Bali. इस एरिया का नाम है बिंडीज ट्री हाउस. अब यहाँ boa constrictor. Oh, okay.
Have you been in yet?
I think this is an animal that I don't know what it is. It should know. Let's go see ये क्या होता है. Meanwhile, there's a stray turkey here. Alright, there. The lemurs are all here. So apparently you can see them.
Can you see any of that?
Oh no, I just can't.
Okay. तो जो animals हम देख रहे हैं, the lemurs are supposed to be right here. That is the lemur. Oh, the boa constrictor. I definitely want to see that. Let's go see if we can see the boa constrictor.
Which hand am I holding?
Yeah.
Should we keep going up? Let's keep going
Up the treehouse, Hardy.
It's so tall. We're taller than trees.
Hi. Yeah, it is. There's two of them there. There are the lemurs and all. दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ?
It's not hard when you like. No. It's not their headphones. I've got nothing. Wie lange können wir noch? 20
Yeah. सो फार मैं सच्ची बताऊँ, मैं जो भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया से देख रहा हूँ मेरे को इतना बेहतरीन लगा नहीं है अभी तक. मतलब ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मैं बहुत सारे जूस में ऑलरेडी जा चुका हूँ, लाइक द वंस इन फुकेट, थाईलैंड, वेयर यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेक्शन. यहाँ पे वाइब इतनी नहीं है. इनका जो इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, दे हैव दीस एक्सकर्शंस एज इन इंटरेक्शंस यू कैन डू. जैसे जिराफ को ब्रांच खिला दी, टर्टल को कुछ खाना खिला दिया, कोआला को खिला दिया. But a lot of it is also wildly expensive, and I am saying it. Imagine me thinking it's too expensive. जैसे जिराफ को खिलाने के लिए 6,500 इंडियन रुपए की कॉस्ट है. Hippopotamus was double. It was about $156, which is about. हाँ? इतने में तो जिराफ ही आ जाएगा. So it's wildly expensive. I mean, it's okay. This zoo experience might be a little overrated. So vlog tip for you. I mean, so far it's nothing for you to really die for, but it's a good thing if you're here. Why not? But I think the legacy perspective is interesting in this, right? What does Bhai think so far? आप तो आए हो यहाँ पे कई बार.
एक बार आया, मैं सिर्फ एक बार आया हूँ कृषि और अभ्यारण्य के साथ.
हाँ.
तो ठीक था, मतलब
ठीक है. Yeah, it's okay.
लाने को तो ठीक है. Zoo
Yeah.
is always exciting for kids.
Yeah.
तो उसके लिए तो ठीक.
I mean, it's okay. It's not breathtaking, but they've made it really nicely. I have to say the place looks really gorgeous. It looks very beautiful, but so far, like I'm quite underwhelmed by it. Okay, let's go see the dingo. अब ये तो मेरे को animals ही नहीं पता क्या होते हैं. Cassowary is okay, dingo okay, Tasmanian devil. Like a doggy. Oh, there he is. Looks like a fox. I can see the dingo on top, chilling out. That of course is Steve Irwin, who's the person. Obviously, who's the one who was making all of this. There is a dingo who's chilling. So that's kind of what it looks like. It's the Koala Island. There's some full patte jeev jantu. I want to show you the koala bear. There he is, okay? Those are the koalas. They have a good life. They chill quite a bit clearly. इनको ऐसे ट्री टॉप्स अच्छे लगते हैं. यहाँ बैठा हुआ है सामने. I can't really see too many of them. Bhai is doing some photography. तो ये 18-20 घंटे सोते हैं क्योंकि ये खाते हैं सिर्फ बैम्बू. तो इनको ना बहुत कम एनर्जी मिलती है उससे. तो जितनी भी मिलती है उतना में तुम्हें खाने में एनर्जी चाहिए. बट दिस इज द मोस्ट एक्टिव आई हैव सीन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोआला. एंड द अदर वन इज देयर. Oh, the one which is niche is not even the koala, that's the quokka. That's another animal altogether. The koalas are nicely chilling on top. Okay, that's a big bird. Look at how large he is. It's got a fun neck. That's what this is. It's a bird called the cassowary. Like, okay, for some reason, until I saw it, I thought, पता नहीं कुछ छोटा सा ऐसा होगा. Now I understand why it's kind. Oh, वहाँ पे है देखो. See, the brown one is the female, I think. He's coming.
इधर से ही वापस आओ फिर हम वहीं आ जाएंगे
अच्छा. No, भाई, it's going to some other enclosure. See? यहाँ जा रहा है वो. To give them credit, इन्होंने बनाया तो बड़ा अच्छा है. Like the way a lot of the things have been made, manicured. मतलब it's been created quite nicely. The koala. Apparently ना 18-20 घंटे सोते हैं दिन में. This is definitely my spirit animal. And even now they're just like chilling. Oh.
Exactly, they need to react to stimulus. Well done, guys. That was fantastic. I'm super impressed. So, of course, when we're talking about living things, today for Life Cycles, we are talking about
Very uneventful animal. I had kept thinking they will do more, but evidently that's what the koala does. That was the extent of its activity. It's done. It's over. It's done for the day. Money earned. Wants to sleep. Yeah. Starting our day at the Australia Zoo. This is the first thing, so I like the fact that we're taking baby steps before we see the big guys. Let's go.
I love it. Have a good day, guys.
Okay.
Dude, the otters are so cute. Like, I love how incredibly cute they are. ऐसे बोलते हैं एनिमल किंगडम में पैंडास और ऑटर्स को किसी ने देख लिया ना, they're like आवाज देखो कैसे बना रहा है. So look at this trivia. It says, oh look, she's doing बरसात में कनूडलिंग चल रही है इनकी. रोमांस है इनकी लाइफ में सबसे तगड़ा. I like how Bobby and I are shooting each other. I love this concept today. So we're shooting on two cameras. We're shooting on this new Digi Pocket, whatever I bought, and I'm shooting on the phone. So we'll give you a perspective on both. So Bhai shoots me, I shoot him. Very, very, very collaborative.
You'll be able to see. Can you see? Look, just looking at that one.
Might be almost right here.
Yeah. Oh, they're having a bit of a snooze.
No, mine's baby. Maybe they just have one house.
Yeah, just one tiger in here.
Is it a orange tiger or white? Where is
साइड से देखते हैं यार.
Do you like it if someone keeps tapping on? It's a
Oh, look at it. इसका सर कहाँ होगा पता नहीं, अंदर ही कहीं पे. I like how in these countries I can keep them as pets. I think India में तो you can't, but okay. Look at him sleeping, the Burmese python. It's raining, so we are. I was hoping for the lack of the sun, but the rain I did not anticipate. But it's nice. A kangaroo's not hungry. He's just like gone away. इसको सबने इतना खाना खिला खिला के मोटा कर दिया ना. The kangaroo's like भाई बहुत हो गया और नहीं खाना मैंने. Nice, good, nutritious.
They're not feeling hungry.
Try it. Oh, that's another one who might be hungry. I found a new kangaroo. Your kangaroo. इनको सबने इतना खिला दिया ना, भूख ही मर गई बेचारों. This is an animal जो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं. इसका नाम है तो रेड पैंडा. तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली कोआला मैंने पहली बार देखा, कैंगरू पहली बार देखा, रेड पैंडा पहली बार देखा. I saw the Komodo dragon for the first time. This is what the red panda looks like in a photo, and I want to see what it looks like in real life.
No,
Elusive red panda, he's hiding from us.
panda is hiding.
So red panda is not actually a panda. It's supposed to actually be the Gileri type family.
So loud Ganesh.
Red panda. I can't seriously see. I mean, I still haven't seen. There is something called the Tiger Temple, जो मैंने थाईलैंड में देखा हुआ, I think in Phuket and in Pattaya. There's our beautiful Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murthy Moria. My India Pride moments are always happening. दुनिया में कहीं भी चले जाओ, आपको भारत कहीं ना कहीं दिख जाएगा. I'm like, yeah, मेरा भारत महान, Ganpati Bappa Moria, right there. There's Gajanan. Wait, Gajanan is there. Been wanting to see the
Tiger, Bengal tiger.
great Bengal tiger. So we're gonna see that.
We can go there.
There it is. So he's be like, I wanted to see the kangaroo and the marsupials. He wanted to see the Bengal tiger. Let's go see them.
Yeah, so it really depends on where it's coming from. We do a lot of training stuff with tigers. Some animals are
Chilling there.
but it depends on how they are doing it. Are they doing it for a welfare purpose? Are they trained to and are they trained to make continuous and are they doing it in industry? So that's just very big. Not yet shows at all. Technically, you are a show. Right? And it just depends on how it's done.
You like the company behind the
Yeah, so basically we do a lot of work with
The tiger is sleeping. Tiger does not want to come out. He's like, it's nap time.
sorry if anyone's giving you okay, thank you. I always have to stop
Okay, so that was ऐसा एक्चुअली सच्ची बताऊँ बहुत कम होता है कि मैं किसी को बोलूँ कि कोई एक्सपीरियंस मत करो. ये मतलब बिल्कुल मतलब आप स्किप कर सकते हो सच्ची बताऊँ तो. हमने दिए 2 लोगों के 8,000 रुपये. अगर 4,000 रुपये पर पर्सन टिकट है, वी पेड सम 156 US ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स. भाई जूस हम दुनिया भर में इतने जा चुके हैं, भारत पे इतना. इस जू की अगर वैल्यू 100, 200, 300, 500 रुपये हो, उससे ज़्यादा इसकी वैल्यू नहीं है. 4,000 रुपये पर पर्सन तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है भाई. और ऐसा कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. ना इनके शेर है, ना इनके चीते हैं, ना इनके भालू हैं, ना कुछ है, सिर्फ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. तो द गुड थिंग अबाउट ट्रैवलिंग इज़ यू कम टू नो लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. तो मैंने यहाँ पे मैं इसलिए आया हूँ जिससे आपको यहाँ पे ना आना पड़े. माई ऑनेस्ट रिकमेंडेशन फॉर दिस जू, डोंट बॉदर. अगर आपको फ्री में टिकट मिले तो आ जाओ. बट अगेन लाइक आई फील वेरी बैड सेइंग लाइक बहुत कम. इमेजिन मी सेइंग समथिंग इज़ नॉट वैल्यू फॉर मनी. मैं बहुत कम कंप्लेन करता हूँ बट समथिंग नॉट बीइंग वर्थ द कॉस्ट. ये 8,000 रुपये तो मेरे को ज़रूर चुभे. डेफिनेटली नॉट वर्थ इट. बट वी've डन इट एंड दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. बिग पुच्ची.